Friends, are you willing to sell your products online through Facebook, and which is absolutely free of cost and you need not run ads for it? Are you excited? Friends, for which there is a powerful place which is called as a marketplace. Okay? So what can be done in a market? Market is a place where you can list your products and you can sell them. Because we all know this fact that there are millions and billions of active users on Facebook. So friends, today we are going to learn about how to make use of the marketplace. And I will also teach you practically on how to list products and those tips and tricks that will definitely help you to generate and increase your sales. This is a very important video which will teach you on how to sell the products on Facebook. Friends, make sure to watch till the end of the video. Don't miss any part because everything is connected to each other. So, friends, you can start your online selling journey from today onwards. Before we move on, I want to give an important update. Friends, Marketing Funda has brought this fusion course for you all for the first time, and in which you can learn the fusion of artificial intelligence and digital marketing, meaning we will learn how to increase productivity through AI in digital marketing, and also how can we integrate it and use it. Because these are future skills. If you want to build your career and grow your business in the future, then you need to have these skills. Contact the given number via WhatsApp for course details. Let's move on with the video.
Hello friends, welcome back to Marketing Fundas. Today we'll be talking about Facebook Marketplace. So let's go. First, we will open Google Chrome, where we will search facebook.com. After that, log into your Facebook account. My account is already logged in here. After logging in, look in the left corner. You'll have a marketplace option. You will click here. After clicking, you will have a lot of options and products will show up. Basically, product listing happens here, where you can list a lot of products. For instance, the accessories, the apparels, etc. You can list mobile phones, and also you can list your instruments or cars, any other product that you have. You can sell it here for free of cost. Basically, it takes your location details beforehand. It displays New Delhi 65 kilometers, which means it shows the business owners that are located in and around my area. It's showing the products listed by owners within 65 kilometers around my location, owners who are on Facebook Marketplace. Here, if you click on the Browse All option, the other products that are available here on Facebook Marketplace will start appearing on your screen. As you can see, there's a notification option here. For instance, if you click on any product and get information about that product, just like I'm getting information about this product, here I'll get a notification in the notification bar that this product has been replied to specifically by the business owner, right? Next, you have an inbox option where if he is replying you, then you'll have that option. And if you click on the buying option here, you will have the replies received from the owner. If you click on the selling option, then you'll have the information on your orders on which you have pending payment and who has paid. If your product is about to be dispatched, where has it reached? Was it cash on delivery or was your order completed? All those details will appear here. Here, if you go to the buying options, in the buying options, you can buy the product. Basically, here you can get really good deals. For example, if you search for any product, let's say on Google, and along with Google, if you're searching on Facebook Marketplace, then you can find really good deals here. Let's suppose we'll go back. After the buying option, you have the selling option where you'll create your account in Marketplace. If you're a business owner, we'll click here. And here you have the first option, create a new listing. Click on this. As you can see here, you have 3 types of listings given. Item for sale, which means product, like the apparels. Do you have any specific product like mobile phone or any device, etc., which you would like to sell here? You can sell it. Then if you have vehicle for sale, if you have any vehicle like your motorcycle, or maybe you have a car, or you have any other instrument, like you have this vehicle, which you are willing to sell here. So you can share it here. If you want to sell your property or rent it out, then you can list it here. If you're a business owner, and then in that case, builder and if you're a property dealer, then you can click here to list your property, which is for free of cost and get genuine clients from here. So here in my case, I'm going to list a car here. Just click on vehicle for sale. Here in the vehicle for sale section, the very first option that you'll see is vehicle type. What is your vehicle type? Is it a car, a van, or a motorcycle, or a power sport? And if you have a trailer, boat, or any other type of vehicle, you'll select that one to register. In my case, I'll be listing a car here, so I'll select car and van. After this, you will have the photos upload option where you can actually upload up to 20 photos of your vehicle. Basically, here there is a premium photo option, which we call it as a cover photo. After that, if you would like to, then you can use different photos of your choice of that product for display. But here in my case, let's attach the premium photo that's used already, and we will upload it. This is the photo that I want to attach here, and along with that, you can include different photos, categories photos, and product photos here. I'll select and upload all the photos together. Here in photos, all the photos will be displayed. Now, what did I do here? Rear view, front view, back view, inner view. Photos of all the views of the product are given so that the clients or the user, if they want to see, they can see the product from every aspect and view. I've included the rear view, front view, back view, all the views of the product photos here. If your car actually has any dent, you can also put up a photo of dent and specify that the dent is available, through which clients can easily approach you. We'll scroll down. If you want to upload multiple photos, you can upload. On add more photos. In the location option here, you will enter your target location, the location where you're trying to sell. In my case, it's Delhi, so I'll select Delhi. It's Delhi. When did the owner of this vehicle purchase it? Enter the purchase year. I purchased it in 2016, so I'm entering 2016. You can actually enter the manufacturer area of that particular brand here, or you can write the brand name of the car. In my case, it's a Jaguar, so I'll write Jaguar. Enter the model here. You have to enter the model of the vehicle that you want to sell here. Enter the model here. In my case, it's Jaguar XE model. It's a Jaguar XE model, so I'll enter that. You need to provide another information. What is the mileage of your vehicle? Also enter the price. Providing complete information about product actually builds trust with your users. The user gets interested to buy from you. For mileage, I'll enter whatever is my vehicle's mileage here. Then price, the price of your car, the price at which you want to sell your car, right? Enter that. You will enter that price. Okay. In my case, I'll give the pricing that I've decided. And body style, the vehicle that you have, what is the style of that vehicle? In my case, it's a coupe, so I'll select coupe. In your case, it can be a van. Your vehicle can also be a saloon, a hatchback, or a 4x4. It can be convertible, and it can also be different types of vehicles. You have options here, you'll select from them. In my case, it's a coupe, so I'll select coupe here. Moving to interior color, you'll select what your interior color is. In my case here, it's black and white. So yes, I will select black here. Sorry, exterior is white. It's the exterior, so I'll select white here. I'll give white. The interior is black here, a black and white combination. And this vehicle has a really clean title. Click on it. If you have a vehicle with clean title, then select it. Then vehicle conditions. My vehicle condition is truly very good. Fuel type is diesel here. Select diesel. Transmission. If your vehicle is manual, then you will select manual. If you have an automatic vehicle, then select automatic. As you can see my vehicle's inner view here. As you can see here, my vehicle has automatic transmission. I selected that. Now, add the description here. The proper description of the vehicle. Like, what model is it? What is the manufacturing year? And which year did you purchase it? Who is the owner? How many kilometers has the car run? What is the car's look like? Is your car in new condition or old condition? If it's from very old condition, you'll mention it. I'll give the complete details here. Jaguar XE 2016 model, December. All right. Friends, it has run around 28,000 kilometers. I'll write 28,000 kilometers. Yes, mine is brand new. My car is actually brand new. So we'll mention that we've mentioned the condition, it's brand new. And after this, we will write the key factors here. Note the keys. Then you will also write about the shape of the car. So my car has new shape, new design, everything is new. So I'll give new here. All right. We'll click on the next option. We'll fill remaining details here. For instance, like if you have any suggestion groups that are related to cars, you can join such groups. So you can easily sell bikes or product. If you want to sell them, Facebook gives you some suggestions that will allow you to easily sell your products without any hassle. You can join or just leave it. You can join or you can leave group. Next option is publish. Click on publish. Product and it will be ready for the sale. Here you have be prepared for what's next. Schedule for test drive. Yes. Gather paperwork. Yes. Then you have contact your DMV, meaning they can contact you. You can close it now. You have the option for boost your listing here. You can easily boost it so that your selling can start as soon as possible. If you want to boost it, then you can. Otherwise, you can ignore. Close it. Okay, friends, I'll refresh this page. Here I can see in the selling section, my vehicle is displayed. You can see the vehicle. It has been listed. And after the vehicle's listing, you will scroll exactly here. The second option is announcements. Announcements means any announcements which is through Facebook will reach you. And the next option is insights. As you can see here, the insight shows how many products were clicked on, how many listings have been saved, your listing, and the product you have listed, and how many users have saved those listings for future purchases, and how many listings did the users share with their friends and family. Also, insights show how many followers have been gained on your marketplace. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.
Friends, I hope you all really enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, be sure to let me know in the comment section. If you have any queries or doubts, you can also leave them in the comment section. Friends, if you like our content, then please feel free to share the channel with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on these important courses. And also do not miss the upcoming videos. Friends, thank you for watching Marketing Fundas.